Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above, you will search about Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. Here if you find update, then you can update your apps.